is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to discuss how to pre-qualify for Navy Federal Credit Card. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. To pre-qualify for a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card, just follow these steps. So first is you have to ensure membership. You must be a Navy Federal member to access the pre-qualification tool. Next is just access the pre-qualification tool. Just visit the Navy Federal pre-qualification page. You can see it in our link. Next is just provide the required information. NFCU will retrieve your name, address, date of birth, and social security number from your member profile. NFCU will then perform a soft credit card inquiry, which does not affect your credit score. This helps determine which credit cards you may qualify for. After submission, you'll see which credit cards you're pre-qualified for. Pre-qualification is not a guarantee of approval, it just indicates potential eligibility. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!